can you get a patent on a food item? Well, and the legal technical answer is yes. Yes, you can. Can you? It's very, very, very unlikely because food has been around since the beginning of time, right? Animals, humans have been eating food, mixing different ingredients and recipes. The question is what you have come up with truly novel, right? The two big requirements that'll be hard is it the first of its kind. If you come up with a new food item, a new ingredients list, a new final product that's never been done before, it's a huge barrier to get over. And then probably even bigger barrier is it non-obvious? Okay. Has there ever been any publication, any type of teaching or cookbook or mention in what's published in the world of all of food and preparation of culinary festivities, any way to combine the elements that you have, even though it's never been done before? For example, you could put in any type of a sweetener, even though no one's ever used, let's say, I don't know, stevia combined with, xylitol, okay, along with, putting it inside a fruit, dragon fruit, trying to get creative here. So that final product, dragon fruit, you got stevia, which is like a monk fruit with xylitol, and you're trying to mix that all together. Well, if there has been any publication about, well, you could certainly mix fruit and maybe even dry the fruit and include any type of sweetener available, that publication would prevent you from getting a patent, even though no one's ever put xylitol, right, which is, I believe, is a chemically derived sweetener. Hope it helps give you some example, or that example gives a little bit of color as to how challenging it can be to get a patent on it. Now, not to say you shouldn't try. If you've got something really unique and you've been in the industry for a while and you've been able to combine methods in terms of heating, cooling, injection, however you're exactly positioning the food, maybe it's got some design elements. That's where you could get toward more patentability if it's not just the actual substance, but it's what it looks like in terms of a cake, or you've seen really popular TV shows, these cake decorating or bakers, perhaps. Thank you for that question.